Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ageless Secret, where we explore the most powerful ways to stay youthful, energized, and alive, no matter your age. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, because every week we bring you science-backed secrets that help you live longer and feel younger. Now, let me ask you something. What if I told you that true youth doesn't come from expensive creams or magic supplements, but from the food that's sitting right in your kitchen? Yes. Science now shows that aging gracefully begins from the inside out. Certain foods can literally switch on the genes of longevity, balance your hormones, protect your heart, and even sharpen your memory naturally. Today, we reveal 7 superfoods that do exactly that. These aren't exotic or complicated. They're simple, ancient, and proven by modern research to keep your body young and strong, even after 50. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this journey toward ageless living, starting with something you've probably eaten your whole life, but never realized how powerful it truly is. 1. Eggs, the golden start of longevity. There was a time when eggs were misunderstood, labeled unhealthy, avoided by millions afraid of cholesterol, but science has done a complete 180 today. Top nutritionists and longevity experts call eggs one of the most perfect foods ever created by nature. Why? Because an egg is a miracle capsule, a compact source of everything needed to create life itself. Inside one egg lies the blueprint for building a living organism: protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and even brain-boosting compounds. For adults between 40 and 60, eggs are your morning weapon against aging. Each egg delivers about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, the exact type your muscles need to stay firm and strong. This is crucial because after age 40, your muscle mass begins to decline, a process called sarcopenia. Eating 2 eggs a day can slow that loss dramatically. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient that strengthens brain cells and boosts memory. It's no coincidence that studies link regular egg eaters to sharper thinking and better focus as they age. Choline also supports your liver, helping your body process fats efficiently and detoxify naturally. Then comes lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants inside the golden yolk that protect your eyes from age-related decline. If you spend hours on screens or struggle with glare while driving at night, these compounds literally shield your vision from damage. And let's talk about cholesterol. Yes, eggs contain it, but it's the good kind. Recent Harvard studies prove that dietary cholesterol from eggs does not raise blood cholesterol in healthy adults. Instead, eggs increase HDL, your good cholesterol, which helps clean your arteries. The real secret, though, lies in the balance. When you eat eggs in moderation, say 2 per day, cooked gently, boiled, poached, or scrambled with olive oil, you're feeding your body with longevity fuel. Imagine starting your morning with 2 soft-boiled eggs, a handful of spinach, and avocado toast. You're giving your body high-quality protein, omega fats, and antioxidants all in one meal. It's the kind of breakfast that keeps your energy stable and your mind focused, not just for the day, but for the decades ahead. So next time you crack open an egg, remember, you're not just making breakfast. You're opening the door to longer life, sharper memory, and stronger muscles. Now that we've explored the golden secret of eggs, let's move to something from the ocean, a small fish with mighty power. 2 sardines, the ocean's youth elixir. They might be tiny, but sardines are nutritional giants. These silver-scaled fish are often overlooked, yet they contain one of the most powerful combinations of nutrients ever found in food. Let's start with their omega-3 fatty acids. Each serving of sardines is loaded with EPA and DHA, the essential fats that keep your heart strong, brain sharp, and joints flexible. For anyone over 40, omega-3s are like oil for your body's engine. They reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your heart from disease. But sardines go far beyond omega-3s. They're also one of the richest natural sources of vitamin D and calcium. That's crucial, especially for women over 50, because bone density tends to decline with age. Eating sardines, bones and all, provides the exact minerals your body uses to build and protect your skeletal strength. And here's a fascinating fact. Sardines are one of the cleanest fish in the ocean. Unlike larger fish like tuna or salmon, sardines are low on the food chain, meaning they contain almost no mercury. You can enjoy them regularly without fear of contamination. Then there's protein. Lean, high quality, and easy to digest. A single can of sardines gives you around 20 grams of protein, enough to help rebuild cells, muscles, and even skin tissue. But maybe the most overlooked power of sardines lies in coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, a nutrient your cells use to produce energy. As we age, CoQ10 naturally declines, leading to fatigue and slower recovery. Sardines replenish it naturally, giving your heart and brain the boost they need. In the Mediterranean, people have eaten sardines for centuries, grilled, smoked, or packed in olive oil, and they live some of the longest lives on Earth. It's no coincidence. Try this. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, top it with sardines, lemon, and herbs. It's not just a snack, it's a longevity ritual. Sardines remind us that sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest power. From the ocean's depths, they bring you strength, clarity, and years of health, all packed in a single tin. And speaking of small but mighty, our next food is a humble plant-based powerhouse from Asia, one that could transform your gut, hormones, and energy. Chapter 3. Tempeh. The ancient fermented secret tempeh might look unfamiliar to some, but it's one of the oldest and most powerful health foods in the world. Originating from Indonesia, tempeh is made from fermented soybeans, and that fermentation is where the magic begins. You see, fermentation pre-digests the soybeans, breaking down complex proteins into forms your body can absorb easily. That means more nutrients, better digestion, and stronger gut health. 3 things that decline with age. Tempeh is rich in probiotics, the friendly bacteria that protect your intestines and support your immune system. For people over 40, maintaining a healthy gut isn't just about comfort, it's about longevity. Because a healthy gut produces serotonin, balances hormones, and even influences your mood. Now let's talk about protein. Tempeh contains as much as 20 grams of protein per serving, rivaling meat, but without the saturated fat. And it's a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids. That's incredibly rare in plant-based foods. Then there's isoflavones, plant compounds in soy that mimic estrogen in a gentle, natural way. For women going through menopause or hormonal changes, these compounds can help reduce hot flashes, stabilize mood, and protect bones. Tempeh also contains manganese, magnesium, and iron, minerals essential for energy and cell repair. When you combine tempeh with vegetables or whole grains, it becomes a complete anti-aging meal, nourishing your cells and supporting your metabolism. And here's what most people don't know. Tempeh has a unique natural fiber called prebiotic fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helping them grow stronger. So while yogurt gives you probiotics, tempeh gives you the fuel that helps those probiotics survive. Imagine your gut as a thriving garden. Tempeh is the fertilizer that keeps it blooming. In Japan and Indonesia, elders eat tempeh daily, grilled, steamed, or added to soups, and they maintain excellent energy and clear minds well into their 80s and 90s. It's not just food, it's wisdom on a plate. Ancient, earthy, and deeply healing. So whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just trying to eat healthier after 40, tempeh is your friend. It supports your gut, your heart, your hormones, and your energy, all the things that define true ageless living. For lentils, the humble legume of longevity. If there's one food that perfectly represents simplicity, strength, and sustainability, it's the lentil. Tiny, earthy, and deeply nourishing, lentils have been the foundation of human survival for thousands of years. But today, science confirms what ancient civilizations already knew. Lentils are one of the most powerful anti-aging foods on the planet. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate, a combination that supports heart health, energy, and cell regeneration. A single cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein and nearly 16 grams of fiber, more than most people get in an entire day. Why is that fiber so important after 40? Because it controls blood, sugar, lowers cholesterol, and keeps your digestive system young and clean. When your gut is balanced, your body can absorb nutrients more effectively, and your energy, skin, and focus all improve. But lentils are more than nutrition. They're metabolic magic. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates stabilize your blood sugar for hours, preventing energy crashes and sugar cravings. That means fewer insulin spikes, less fat storage, and better control of your metabolism. They're also loaded with polyphenols, natural plant compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Scientists now link polyphenols to reduced risk of cancer, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. In other words, lentils are small shields protecting every cell in your body from aging faster than it should. And for anyone trying to maintain or lose weight, lentils are your best friend, because they fill you up without adding excess calories, helping you feel satisfied, not deprived. In many blue zones, the regions where people live longest, lentils are a daily staple. From the red lentil soups of Turkey to the spiced dal of India, people have relied on lentils not just for nutrition, but for life itself. Try making a bowl of warm lentil soup drizzled with olive oil and herbs. It's not just comfort food, it's cellular nourishment. Each spoonful is a quiet reminder that true health comes from the earth, not the lab. Lentils teach us a lesson. Longevity doesn't come from complexity. It comes from consistency, from the foods that have stood the test of time. 5. Greek yogurt, the creamy culture of youth, creamy, tangy, and full of life. Greek yogurt is much more than a breakfast option. It's a living food that keeps your gut young, your bones strong, and your body balanced. What makes Greek yogurt so special? It's triple-strained, which means it's denser in protein, lower in sugar, and packed with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that keep your digestive system running like clockwork. For adults between 40 and 60, these probiotics are gold. They restore the balance of your gut microbiome, which influences everything from digestion to immune defense to mood. A healthy gut literally sends positive signals to your brain, reducing inflammation and improving emotional well-being. But Greek yogurt doesn't stop there. It's an excellent source of calcium and vitamin B12, both essential for bone strength and energy metabolism. As we age, our ability to absorb calcium declines, which is why adding a serving of Greek yogurt daily can help maintain bone density and prevent fractures. Each cup of Greek yogurt offers around 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, including casein and whey, both of which support muscle maintenance and repair. That's especially vital for keeping your metabolism strong as you age. And here's something most people don't realize. The amino acids in Greek yogurt are absorbed slowly, keeping you full longer and stabilizing your blood sugar throughout the day. You can turn Greek yogurt into a powerhouse meal by topping it with berries, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey. The combination of antioxidants, protein, and natural sweetness keeps you satisfied and energized. In Greece, where people live some of the longest, healthiest lives, yogurt is part of almost every meal. It's not just food, it's culture, connection, and care for the body. Every spoonful of Greek yogurt is like giving your gut a fresh start, restoring balance, feeding your cells, and keeping you glowing from within. 6. Quinoa, the ancient grain of strength. Before it became a health trend, quinoa was revered by the Inca civilization as the mother of all grains. And for good reason. Quinoa is not technically a grain, it's a seed, but it behaves like one, offering a rare combination of nutrients that feed both body and mind. What makes quinoa so powerful? It's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. That means it provides the same muscle-building power as meat, but without the cholesterol or inflammation. For people over 40, this matters more than ever. Your body begins to lose lean muscle mass each decade, but quinoa helps you preserve it naturally. It also contains magnesium, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all essential for energy production, nerve health, and oxygen transport. One of quinoa's greatest gifts is its fiber, soluble and insoluble, which keeps your digestion smooth and your cholesterol low. It also has a low glycemic index, meaning it keeps your blood sugar stable, an essential factor for preventing type 2 diabetes. And here's something fascinating. Quinoa contains quercetin and camphorol, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and may even support your immune system against aging. When you eat quinoa, you're giving your body the tools to build, repair, and renew at a cellular level. Try replacing white rice or pasta with quinoa in your meals. You'll notice better energy, lighter digestion, and even clearer skin, because your body is operating from a cleaner, nutrient-rich fuel source. In a world full of processed foods, quinoa stands as a symbol of simplicity and strength, a reminder that ancient wisdom still holds the keys to modern longevity. 7. Hemp seeds, the forgotten superseed of balance. Tiny, soft, and nutty in flavor, Hemp seeds may look unassuming, but they're one of nature's most complete foods. They contain the perfect ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, which helps balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Each tablespoon of hemp seeds delivers protein, fiber, magnesium, zinc, and iron, making them a powerful addition to your diet, especially as you age. What truly sets hemp seeds apart is their plant-based omega-3 content, which supports brain function and mood regulation. After 40, many people experience changes in mental clarity and emotional stability. Hemp seeds help restore that balance naturally. They're also incredibly rich in gamma-linolenic acid GLA, a rare fatty acid known for reducing inflammation and supporting skin health. Regular intake of hemp seeds can make your skin smoother, more hydrated, and more resistant to wrinkles, literally working from the inside out. And here's the bonus. Hemp seeds are easily digestible, unlike many other seeds or nuts. They can be added to anything: smoothies, salads, oatmeal, or yogurt, turning ordinary meals into nutrient-packed longevity boosters. Hemp seeds also support hormonal balance, especially important for women going through menopause and men facing testosterone decline. Their healthy fats and amino acids provide the raw materials your body uses to maintain hormone production. Think of hemp seeds as nature's multivitamin, small, soft, and quietly powerful. They nourish your mind, strengthen your body, and help keep your inner systems working in harmony. The secret to timeless energy. We began this journey with 7 simple foods: eggs, sardines, tempeh, lentils, Greek yogurt, quinoa, and hemp seeds. Different in taste and texture, but united by one purpose: to help you live longer, stronger, and with more joy. The truth is, staying young isn't about chasing trends or fighting time. It's about nourishing yourself with real food, real habits, and real care. Every time you choose these foods, you're choosing renewal over decay, energy over fatigue, life over limitation. Science can measure the nutrients, but your body feels the difference: sharper focus, better sleep, stronger immunity. These are not miracles. They are the natural rewards of treating your body with wisdom. So as you close this video, remember, you don't need to be 20 to feel alive. You just need to feed your cells the way nature intended. Thank you for watching Ageless Secret. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because your journey to ageless living has only just begun.